welcome back to another episode of Stitchin' Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to Tunisian simple stitch 2 together and Tunisian simple stitch 3 together. So these are two ways that you can decrease when you're working Tunisian simple stitch or Tunisian crochet. So let's get started. Today I'm using the Denise interchangeable N15 10mm hook with a cord and stopper. I'll link this below. I have the whole set and it's an amazing set to have. You can check out the review in the blog post that I'll link below. And I'm using Bernat Maker home decor yarn. So this is actually a table runner I was working on, but just for the purpose of this video I'm going to show you. So I'm doing a Tunisian simple stitch into each one of these. So I've done 4 here, so I'm just going to, so basically the way you do Tunisian simple stitch 2 together, the abbreviation for that is Tss2tog. So when you see that, what it means is basically you're gonna basically go through 2 loops as if you're gonna Tunisian crochet, Tunisian simple stitch, but you're gonna do, instead of just doing the one, you're gonna go into both and then pull up a loop, and there you've done Tunisian simple stitch 2 together. And then if you want to do Tunisian simple stitch 3 together, or however many the pattern calls for in terms of decreasing, if you need to do more, basically you pick up the number of loops, or you go through the number of loops that are after the TSS, so Tunisian simple stitch blank together. So if it's a 3, then you'll go through the 3 loops all at once, and then you'll pull up a loop through those 3 loops. So that's basically, you've done Tunisian simple stitch 3 together here, 2 together. So basically what this does is that it gives shaping, or basically it helps in decreasing your stitches and just giving you some shape. You know, it can be used for garments, for basically anything that you want to give like a shape to. You can do it at the ends, you can do it in the middle of the row. Basically it's a way of decreasing stitches. Alright, so it's very simple. Today it's a short tutorial, but I hope you found that useful. If you did, please do give me a like, follow, subscribe, comment, and also share this video if you found it useful. I hope to see you next time.